Hey guys, Neil here with ESOY'S, and today we're going to be making my version of the McGriddle. Filming this intro out of context late in the afternoon. I made the McGriddle this morning, but yeah, I've just been busy with work and errands and stuff, so yeah, power of editing, right? Yeah, my version of the McGriddle, let's do this.
The ingredients you are going to need today will include first pancake mix. Just to be fancy, I'm going to use some brown eggs, some beef patties, which you may want to reduce in size, cheese slices to top on the patties in the sandwich, and finally syrup. So let's start with the pancake mix. Today we're going to be making up to 2 servings, and for that you'll need 1 cup of the mix and 1 cup of water. Next you're going to stir the mix till all the lumps are gone. Just a side note, the more mix the thicker the pancake, and the more water the thinner the pancake. When the lumps are gone, you are now ready to start on the stove. Spray some cooking spray in the pan to prevent any sticking while cooking. Place your ring mold on the pan and make sure to put a bit of cooking spray on it to prevent the mix from sticking as well. Now pour mix within the mold to begin cooking the first pancake. After that, you're going to pour some syrup into the mix, which will give it that complete pancake taste. Let the pancake cook on one side for about 1.5 minutes. Now with a set of tongs, remove the ring mold and flip the pancake onto the other side for cooking. When that is done, start with the other pancake, repeating the steps before. Now we're going to start cooking the beef patty. You're going to want to cook each side for about 4 minutes, depending on how you like to have the beef ready. Add salt, and pepper on both sides as well. For the egg, I decided to cook it over easy, so just crack the egg open and let it sit on the pan to cook. Add a bit of salt for flavor. Flip it to cook the top end of the egg, but not for too long. You want the yolk to be able to rip open when you bite into the sandwich. Trust me, it's good. Now you are ready to assemble your McGriddle. Start with the bottom pancake, the beef patty, egg, cheese, and the top pancake. Now you're ready to scarf.